Hey guys, welcome back to the FabuPRO YouTube channel. Today we will be doing an experiment with our pretty bere to see what happens when you apply a cat eye design on one eye and a doll eye design on the other. Please do not try this at home or your guest will not be happy. We did this because Bere is a good friend and she wanted you to learn how choosing a good design changes the eye. So as the title says, we will be doing a cat eye on one eye and the doll eye in the other. I have already sanitized my hands as well as applied the gel pads on her eyes. The mapping for the cat eye, we will be using 4 boxes to make this set feel more transitioned from the longest length to the shortest. And the lengths are going to be 10, 11, 12, and 13 all the way to the outer corner. These are going to be 3D fans and decurl 0.10 thickness. Remember, you can use code ZULY10 to get 10% off your supplies at www.FabuPRO.com. For the mapping of the doll eye, I am going to be using the same lengths, but the longest one will be in the middle. From the inner to the outer corner, we have 11, 12, 13, 12, and 11. Once we have established the lengths and mapped everything out, we will begin lashing. I'll be back in a sec. Well, I have finished the cat eye, and as you can see, it looks very nice and full because our model has good amount of natural lashes. As you can tell, the lashes go from short to long in a transitioned manner. This design, if you remember, is very good for upward eyes only because it makes the eye longer and follows the natural structure of the eye. As you can see, our guest has this type of upward eye, which is why the cat eye looks so amazing on her. It makes her look like she has winged eyeliner on. Now we will be moving on to the doll eye. Since I have already mapped, I will begin to lash. The longest length is going to go in the middle, sort of where the pupil is. Once again, I will be back, so sit back and enjoy watching me lash. we are finally done with the doll eye. If you can tell, the doll eye seems to have more of a nice round shape, although it does not look as neat as the cat eye. The cat eye seems like it is escalating, while the doll eye seems a little rounder. And not to mention, with the doll eye, this set actually looks like it is a little bit longer, but I'm still using the same extensions or the same lengths. Now that the eyes are open, you can really see how the doll eye helps her eye look wider, and the cat eye suits her natural shape of her eye and gives her that cat eye look. Like I said, it even looks like she has a winged liner. Our guest preferred the cat eye. Honestly, I also felt it suited her better. Remember, not everyone can wear a cat eye. Let us know in the comment section below which design was your favorite and which one you would have picked. Thank you guys for watching our channel. We will see you guys in the next video. Bye!